Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ChatGPT memory full issue. Okay, let's get into it guys. When your memory in ChatGPT is full, you will get a memory full notification, and I'm going to show you guys how you can fix the memory full problem. First thing first, you can go to the ChatGPT setting. You can select setting right here, and then you're going to go to the personalization, and then you're going to scroll down and you will see memory right here. And then to fix the memory full problem or issue, you can manage your memory, and then you can delete your memory, or you can select the memory that you want to delete and you can delete it. But I have already deleted all memories, and don't worry guys, deleting memories won't remove your chat history. Memory is different from the chat history. As you can see, my chat history is still here. But you need to teach ChatGPT start from zero because the memory is deleted. So it's like the first time when you chat with the ChatGPT. But don't worry, because you can still improve the memory guys. And if you don't want to get memory full, you can subscribe to GPT and you will get more space for memory. Okay guys, and that's how you can fix the ChatGPT memory full issue. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!